Island. Fish, fish. Look. Yay!
It's an island. Boy. Boy. Yeah. Yeah.
Wagwan, wagwan. You don't know it's island boy. Africa. Yesterday, guys. So today I'm out here fishing again. Yeah, man, it's not me alone. Today I'm here with my beautiful family.
Hi,
Beautiful
guys.
wife here. And little Bobo.
Alan.
Hi, say hi.
He wants to fish, guys.
Yeah. So
Hope you're all doing well and ready for the Christmas festivities.
yeah, man. So you're out here again, you see me? From the last time you guys saw that big fish that Babe caught. Yeah, man, and that was amazing. We went to that spot earlier, but it was so rough that yeah, we couldn't fish there today. Big waves and very strong wind is it. So we decided so we are come at this spot. We've been here before a couple times and we're here again today. So yeah, do some little fishing and yeah, man, I mean it's the weekend, you know, so yeah, that's what's up for the day, yeah? Yeah, man, so I guess we can catch now.
Let's go.
Yeah, man, there's heaps of fish here. It's probably hard to see right now, but I'll get closer in a bit.
Island's talking to you.
Hi,
What are you
Bobo.
doing, Island?
Island fishing.
Island's fishing.
Island fishing.
Yeah, he's fishing.
Yeah. They call that one jigging.
Yeah, I got.
Ah, good on you. Yeah, man. So it's a nice little spot.
Mom. Yeah.
Tucked away. It's not really windy here.
More bait on it. Look.
There's heaps of boys. It's just there were some boys that was swimming over there. They're in the bush now anyway. Yeah. So let's go now.
Yeah. Look. Look at the fishes. Oh, almost had it. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Coming up.
Yeah. Alright, so here we go. Bobo, you're gonna fish, man. Just relax. So they're spinning on the shrimp tail, eh? Otherwise known as prawn. And get ready. I remember when I just arrived here, I saw a big grouper. Didn't I don't think I caught it on camera, but I saw a big grouper down that end just swim up to the shallow. So definitely big fish in here as well. But today we just do little fishing, nothing major. So I could see what I go on.
Yeah.
Let's see your activities.
Are you ready? You're gonna lower it down. Just watch the fish come and eat. Look at the fish. Look at the fish eating it. Look.
Look, Bobo, they're eating.
Look, Bobo.
Ooh. Fish on, Bobo. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Alright, here.
It's going half his head, yo.
Island fishing is supposed to be relaxing, not a crying thing. Want to go to the shops with Mum? No shops, Mum? You want to stay fish? You don't want to go buy a toy? You want to buy a car? Broom broom? You want to go buy Dr. Island stuff? Go buy Dr. Island kit. $20. Let's go.
Oh shit. Probably was too far, son. Hey, be careful.
Island, put it back in the water. Mummy buy a colouring book? What do you want? Wawa book? Okay, let's go buy one. Let's go buy one.
No, buy one. No.
Where's the fish?
There.
You never catch it.
No, catch it.
There's some pretty good sized bream there.
Yeah. Island. Got a fish on.
Nice.
It's a small one though, I can feel it. Got a little one. Let's see what it is. And it's a bream. Island, look.
Fishy.
Fishy.
Grab it. Go grab it.
Why are you running? You don't love fish? Huh? You don't love fish, Bubba?
Island. Look, fishy daddy.
Bream. Bream, bream, bream.
Grab it. Let it feel it. Feel it, Island. Island, look, Dad. Feel it.
No
Take it.
Yeah. I don't feel it.
Island, feel it.
Touch it.
Island, look, touch it.
Ooh. That
Yeah.
okay. Two.
This little bream that I caught.
Dada.
Yeah.
Look. Fishy.
Yeah, good boy, fishing. Yeah, so this little bream that I caught, guys. I just put it on my big line, and I'm just gonna see if there's anything out there for me. You know what I mean? He's still alive, so I'm just gonna leave him to swim around. Yeah. So that's what's up. Gonna throw him out there and leave him still alive swimming. Alright, so stay tuned. If nothing big, you guys will see. Bobo fishing. You have to catch a fish today, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, careful. No. Oh, you almost catch him.
Go, Bobo.
How many are fishing?
Go, Bobo. Good boy.
You almost.
Yeah.
You almost say you're back.
Baby.
Allow you.
I can't see.
Hook him now. Them take away your bait.
Oh.
And just leave it down there. Put it in the water. He's trying to hold. Bobo, put it in the water.
Okay.
Leave it there. Leave it.
Yeah, fire.
Yeah. There's lots of small fishes just feeding on it,
Mommy.
and hopefully catch one of them. Oh, they took his bait again.
Mama. I can't fish it.
Yeah, they stole your bait.
Yeah, big.
Yeah.
Mama.
Hold on. Put it down. Hold it. Hook fish. You got him, Bubba. Hook him. Take him up. Island, take him up. You got fish on. Island, fish. Fish, you got fish.
I can't fish.
Yeah, you got fish. Come, reel. Spin this. Yeah. Other way. Island. Fish. Look. Yay! Bubba got fish.
Oh, I got fish.
Yay! You scared? Bubba catch fish, big fish. Oh, careful.
Careful. No.
Alright, let me hold her out.
I'm fishy.
You're fishy. Yeah.
Look, Bubba.
Eat.
Bubba got big fish. Huh?
Oh,
You like it?
you like it.
Hold on.
Yay. fishy. Very fishy. Fishy here. Fishy. Fishy.
Hey, chill out. Look, touch it. Touch fishy. Your first catch. Yeah.
Oh,
Wow, beautiful.
fish.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Mhm.
Cheese. Oh.
Nice.
I see.
Wow,
Oh.
not damn to you.
I hate.
Alright, let's put it back in the water so it can live.
I don't know, it's bleeding.
Yeah, it's just the mouth. Come, Bobo. Come look. Come look.
Oh, look at that,
Island, come. Come look. Island, come. Look. Fishy. Throw it back in the water. Let it live. Wow, look at that. It swim away. What?
I'm fishy on the
You gonna catch the next one?
Yeah.
Alright.
You have to ask.
Yeah, that's good.
Alan, it has to be bigger than this. It has to be a big one like this. Big. Like a big one.
Alright, let's go for the big one, Bobo. Alright. And Bobo is going for the monster now. Alright.
I got it.
Leave it in the water.
Okay.
Alright, almost there. Wait. Leave it in the water, leave it.
Leave it in the water, Bobo. You have to wait.
No, wait.
Yes, you
Talk
have
to the
to.
camera. Talk to your friends, them on camera. And tell them this is how you do it. Come on, tell them. Tell them. Island, tell them on camera. This is how you fish. Tell them.
He's not paying attention.
Nom, 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 nom.
Yum, yum, yum. You wanna eat them?
Yummy.
Nom, 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 nom.
Yeah, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy, puppy.
Alright.
Okay.
There's fish attacking, Bobo. Just wait.
Yummy. Go
Just
away.
wait.
Go away. Go away. Nom, nom, nom. Oh, eat that. Nom, nom.
Alright, you're doing that now, you're gonna hook somebody. Stop that. Babe's gone to the shop with Island. And there I see me can go and get something, you know? Yeah, man. Nice chill spot. Yeah, so I have the big rod over there with the live fish on it, swimming around. Yeah, well, I'm just going to use the small rod here. Just in case. I see a nice size fish they call a blackfish. It's just right somewhere over here. I don't know if it's, oh shoot, I don't know if it wants to bite, but I will try anyway. Nice blackfish. So much small one though, it's sad. It would have to be really hungry to get that bait. Them already steal the bait. I think I just cracked the code how to catch these fishes right here. So all along I've been using weights, otherwise known as sinker, and yeah, they're barely picking up. But I realized when I throw the bait out there, they all just race to the top for it. You know, just remind me of when I was younger catching jacks just by the beach in Jamaica. You know what I mean? So yeah, I just cracked the code how they operate. First come, first serve, you see it. So yeah, man, as it drop on water top, yes, them rush to the top, so them rather it that way. So I'm gonna try it out and see how well it works. All right, let's go. So I took my weight off. Now I'm just gonna throw it out and see what happens. Let's see. Oh shit. What just happened? Oh, fish on. Yep, what did I tell you? I cracked the code. They're small, it's just to really play around with just catching these ones right at the shallow here. Yeah, I cracked the code. What did I told you? Yeah man, so them love it as it drop on water top, them rush towards it. And this fish, I don't know what it is, but it looks similar to a fish that we have in Jamaica we call angel fish. It kind of has that shape, but it's probably something different here. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's a nice little fish. I did crack the code. I really cracked the code on this one. So here we go again. First come, first serve. Want a big one. That's just a small one there. Where are the big ones? The small one, them I rush it first. First come, first serve. Where are the big ones? Not a small one. Oh, you can get to it. Probably I should show you guys how much fish are down there right now. Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place the camera in the water and let you guys have a look. Alright? So let's do that. Ooh, fish on. Another small one. It should be the perfect size to fish with. But yeah, and I like yard. I don't see no barracuda and them thing they about here, so in them mangrove here. So I don't know what they in here otherwise than them bream here. Because the bream, these fishes are everywhere, they dominate this place. These are the fish here, they dominate everywhere you go. It's just bream, bream, bream. That's why I get excited whenever I see a different species of fish. You know what I mean? Oh, that's a nice one. A nice little one pick up. See my guys? Ho ho! Yeah man, them size and bigger me I talk about. So that one here guys. Yeah man, them size and bigger. See man? Yeah man. Nice little one. Over at that spot again. Stay for this so the big one them hide. Some nice size one over there still. Another small one. Small bream guys. Oi. Some of them shape different, like this one is more like a long shape, while you have some just a rounder shape. I mean there's different type of bream. Yeah, I just call all of them bream. Think you have black tail and I'm not sure, I think yellow. Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong anyway. Yeah, that's another one. It's pure small one, they're tiny as anything, man.
There's another place we can go.
Tiny.
I got that.
Look at that, Bobo.
Fishy.
Fishy. Yeah.
You say I never went. I've never really learned how to like take them off.
Mommy, help.
Wait.
You have to be careful, it's flipping, so when you hold it, make sure you hold it firm so it doesn't flip in your
Where
hand.
do you usually hold it?
Hold it at the head.
The head is the best way.
Yeah. Up
It
here.
won't like.
Yeah, that's why you have to hold it with good pressure. Not to kill it, but you know. Yeah, so when it flips, you don't get hook and you don't get spikes from the fish.
No, you don't. I'm not confident.
Mommy. A fishy, Daddy. Wow, fishy.
Yay! Bubble fishy.
Mommy. Oh, fishy. Fishy.
Big fish, Bubba, big fish.
Oh.
Talking about a high something.
Alright guys, so leaving this place, you know. Yeah man, never really caught anything big, but it was fun. Yeah man, so I'm gonna head home now, and I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Until next time, it's the Island Boy Africa, and we are out. Guys, let's check out the fish shop. See what kind of fish they have.
Flathead. Have you ever cooked flathead?
No, I don't think I actually ever taste flathead. Yeah, so that's flathead right there. This is barramundi. Yeah, I always see the Australians catch these on videos. Yeah,
Can you lift one up?
it's big. It's
That looks
big.
nice, that snapper there.
Oh, that one, yeah. It's nice. Good.
Good.
You get some snapper?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Snapper. How much is that? The kilo?
Red Emperor, $28.99.
$28.99. Oh, Emperor.
Red Emperor.
You can get that.
Yeah, alright, we'll probably get that one instead, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get that one.
Yeah.
We've got to scale it. You want them to do it? Babe?
Oh, Daddy.
Yeah, I'll let them do it.
Do you mind?
Can you scale it and got it? Yeah, scale and got. Got the squid. Island, what's wrong? Want ice cream? Which one? Which one do you want? Huh? Hold the bottle? Let me show you. Hold the bottle, let me show you. Come on. Which one you want? Which one?
That's
That one?
Like a kilo.
So this is so much for prawn. King prawns.
The reason why everything's so expensive because it's Christmas time, guys.
Yeah.
So everything goes up. They just charge us $2.50 for them to scale and
God.
clean
Yeah.
a fish.
Just because I don't feel like it today. Yeah, and this is the bream. This is the ones that we've been
We
catching.
usually catch, yeah.
Yeah. Very common fish.
It's a very common fish, so therefore it's a very cheap fish.
Yeah, cheaper than theirs.
And then fish frames. What do you usually cook these with?
I don't know.
Does anyone cook with fish frames, guys?
And it seems like it's the same barramundi fish. They basically, it's like when they fillet.
They fillet it.
Yeah, it's what's left of it. So I guess they cook it in soup or something.
Yeah, I was gonna say maybe soup fish.
Yeah. And here's another one here as well. Yeah, that's interesting.
I might, if they have oysters, I'll get some oysters, you know, guys, oysters.
Yeah. Yeah, look at these. Oh wow. Shark. That must be sharp, eh?
Yeah.
There you go. Look at these, what's it called? Balmain bug. Yeah, so the Aussies eat this. It looks like a lobster in a sense, but they call it a bug. So all these prawns have different names. School prawns, we just saw the king prawns, and they have tiger prawns.
Yeah, I think the school prawns are probably like the cheaper range of them all.
Yeah, and they're smaller.
And they're smaller.
Yeah.
King prawns are a lot bigger, yeah.
Yeah. And there you have tuna. Oh, price as well.
Oysters, yeah, no. Tuna, guys, yum.
$69.99 a kilo.
That bleeds a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah, it has a lot of blood. Yeah.
That's, we can tell that's why it's all like bloody there.
Yeah. Oh, what's that? Tropical snapper. Yeah, so these are all like fillets, boneless, pretty much. Yeah, swordfish out there. That's the swordfish.
I guess that anything that's filleted is always more expensive.
Yeah, because they do the for you already. Yeah. This pan, guys. And this is what it's saying. Oh, that one is called Cotton Ball in 1988, 1992. That is massive. That's
I wonder
like,
why they don't come like that anymore, hey guys?
that's like a lobster, man.
One would do.
Yeah, exactly. Do the job.
Yeah.
Look at that, man. That's bigger than any human.
Where was this at? 20 hooks caught on 150th hand line using 20 hooks also on same line. I can't read, the writing's pretty bad.
Yeah.
12 pearl perch, 5 snipper,
Wow.
snapper, 1 hook,